Nose blackheads removal. You won't believe this deep pore cleaning transformation. At first, it doesn't look that bad, just a few blackheads. Nothing serious. But what's hidden inside these pores is something you won't expect. Today we're doing a nose blackheads removal with deep pore cleaning transformation. And once the extraction begins, everything changes. The hidden truth: blackheads are not always visible from the surface. Most of the buildup stays inside the pores, layered over time: oil, dirt, dead skin, waiting to be removed. Why it looks normal at first. From a distance, the skin looks fine, but under close view, the pores are full. This is where the problem starts. Step 1. Preparation. The surface is cleaned, oil is removed, the skin is ready. Step 2. Steam activation. Steam opens the pores, the buildup softens, everything is ready for extraction. Step 3. First extraction. The first blackhead comes out, then another, and another. The hidden buildup starts to reveal itself. Step 4. Unexpected extraction. Now the deeper layers appear, thicker blackheads, more buildup than expected. This is where the surprise happens. Step 5. Full cleaning. All pores are cleared, the surface becomes lighter, cleaner, smoother. Step 6. Skin recovery. The skin is calmed, redness fades, balance returns. Final transformation. Before, looks normal. But clogged, after, clean pores. Smooth skin, now the difference is visible. Final message: what you see is not always the full picture. True results appear when you go deeper. If you enjoyed this nose blackheads removal transformation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more deep pore cleaning and satisfying skincare transformations, stay connected.